DJI AEB Sorter, a Lightroom Classic plugin that automatically sorts your drone bracket sequences by exposure. Start by selecting all your AEB photos in the library. Then go to Library, Plugin Extras, Sort DJI AEB, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Control Command K. The plugin auto-detects your bracket groups. Enter a project name, choose your sort order, and click Sort Brackets. Once the sort is done, press F2 to rename. In the File Naming drop-down, select Edit to open the template editor. First, clear the template field to remove any existing tokens. Then, click Insert next to Title. This uses the sort order that the plugin wrote into each photo's title metadata. Click Done, then OK. Your photos are now sorted in the correct order. Important: if you don't see any difference, you need to sort by file name in Lightroom Classic. Go to View, Sort, File Name. Your brackets are now grouped and labeled with letters. Letter A, for the first exposure in your sequence, each following letter for the next, ready for exposure blending. Here's the real-time workflow after your initial setup. Select All, hit your hotkey or Lupidex shortcut, then F2 to rename. That's it. Thousands of AEB brackets grouped and labeled in seconds from any DJI drone or any other camera. Note that the hotkey feature is available on Mac only, with the installer from the Drift&Grain website only.